Hey there, today I am going to show you how to convert an WhatsApp image into JPG format. This can be helpful if you want to save the image or use it in other apps. First, open the WhatsApp and find the image that you want to convert. Long press on the image or tap on the option menu in order to find download or save option in order to store it on your devices. Tap on save or download. The image is now saved on phone's gallery. For converting image into JPG, you will need an image converter app or you can use AI tools to convert. I am going to use a JPG converter website. Here you can upload the image that you downloaded from the WhatsApp. Upload the image and tap on convert. It takes some time to convert. Once it's done, save the converted JPG image into gallery. To make sure it works, you can open gallery, find the image and check its properties. It should be on JPG format. And that's it, you have successfully converted WhatsApp image into JPG format. This method is simple and works on most devices. So hope you will find this tutorial helpful, and do like and subscribe to the channel for tips like this. Thank you.